Unshrinking Your Hoodie, a simple guide.
Hello there. Have you ever unintentionally shrunk your favorite hoodie in the dryer? Don't worry. In this video, we're going to talk about a simple method that could help you restore your shrunk hoodie to its original size.
What causes shrinking?
When a hoodie or other piece of clothing is washed in hot water or dried in high heat, the heat can cause the fibers to contract. This process, known as thermal shrinking, can significantly reduce the size of your clothing. Some types of fabric, particularly cotton and wool, are especially prone to this.
What you'll need to unshrink a hoodie.
Before we start, gather the following items. 1. Your shrunk hoodie. 2. A bucket or sink big enough for the hoodie. 3. Lukewarm water. 4. Hair conditioner or baby shampoo. 5. Clean, dry towels.
The unshrinking process.
Here comes the simple process to restore your hoodie. 1. Fill your sink or bucket with lukewarm water. 2. Add a generous amount of hair conditioner or baby shampoo to the water. 3. Soak your shrunk hoodie in the solution for about 15 to 30 minutes. 4. After soaking, rinse the hoodie with lukewarm water until the water runs clear. 5. Lay out a clean, dry towel and place your hoodie flat on it. Roll up the towel with the hoodie inside to remove excess water. 6. Unroll the towel and transfer the hoodie to a second dry towel. Stretch the hoodie gently back to its original size. 7. Let it air dry flat. Remember, do not rinse the conditioner out completely, as the slight residue helps relax the fibers. That's all. With patience and a bit of effort, you can unshrink your beloved hoodie. Remember, to avoid shrinking in the future, always read the care label on your clothes and follow the washing and drying instructions. I hope this video has been helpful, and you can once again enjoy wearing your favorite hoodie.